Tape Professor. Write from Dictation. Students have the option to live in college residences or apartments. Students requiring for an extension should apply sooner rather than later. Supply and demand is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. Teaching assistants will receive a monthly remuneration for housing. Textile manufacturing plays a large role in improving economies. That means we have so many struggles in the lab. Protective clothing must always be worn in the laboratory. The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in previously overlooked foundations. The artists tied to conservative politicians earned their own roles of critics. The artists tied with the conservative politicians earned the roles of critics. The assessment of this course will begin next week. The author's previous works are more theoretical and less experimental. The business policy seminar includes an internship with a local firm. The cafeteria features soup, salad, sandwiches, fish and chicken. A celebrated theory is still the source of great controversy. The chemistry building is located near the entrance of the campus. The cities founders created a set of rules that became law. The commissioner will apportion the funds among all the sovereignties. The dance department elaborated stages performances each semester. The Earth's atmosphere is primarily composed of oxygen and nitrogen gases. The election of the president is held once every 4 years. The essay will be published once the research is finished. The exam application system has been upgraded for professional examinations. The extent of advertising to children is very much open to debate. The faculty staff are very approachable, friendly, and extremely helpful. The first assignment is due on the 14th of September. The garden behind the university is open to the public in the summer. The history of the university is a long and interesting one. The island is located at the south end of the bay. The island is located far away from the bay. The key difference between courses is the kind of assessment. The lecture tomorrow will discuss the educational policy in the United States. The library holds a miraculous collection of books on economic history. That means that they have so many struggles overlaps. The morning's lecture on economic policy has been cancelled. Scientists were unsure when the early men first left Africa. The nation achieved prosperity by opening its ports for trade. New media has transformed the traditional national boundaries. The new technician dropped the microscope in the biology lab. The plight of local wildlife has been ignored by developers. The railway makes long-distance travel possible for everyone. The result of the study underscored the importance of early detection. The school's summer programs help students to accelerate their studies. The teacher asked the group to commence the task. The theme of the instrumental work exhibits more of a demure, compositional style. The time of the math lecture has been changed to 10:30. The toughest part for postgraduate research is funding. Assignments should be submitted to the department office before the deadline. The University Theatre Group will be performing in the concert hall. The untapped potential of using sun rays is phenomenal. The ways in which people communicate are constantly changing. There are some debates about whether these events actually occurred. There is a clear need for further research in this field. This class will look at the structure of the essay. This morning's lecture on economic policy has been cancelled. Traffic is the main cause for pollution in main cities. Traveling by boat on the river is not possible in winter. Undergraduates may pursue their specific interests within certificate programs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel for daily TAE practice material.